abusia fo mama kwa aba ene eye Friday efiada na edu efiada wiade a eye mra ene ye kan enti mame mo akwa aba na mo aha ewo Adom TV so me okay na we dia memi wo case ene usu wo case ene na watwe atwa mu no ye started medical negligence e mo hospital usu yem ni ama para na brufi na kofa asem aba usu ya wayase ya ni akopa wayase so wo fibroid ebi kura wuti ni akwa pa ne ebi no wanya asem obi nya accident mi hu ye na afa ye say abrante na nya diabetes accident no akofa diabetes aba usu wo case na ye nyina wo case a esan se lawyer fo ho din se wo benyenti ye de we ya bro se de be kire omra no hu right obi asabe wa mebu amfa eso ewe ma good afternoon from vim lady efia pokua ye ne lawyer fo kukudam se si aye betena se ne ye de ni nyina abro nti ana ye bebie phone lines ntem na che se wo de wasem na ba betu nya kwanya nya ho adagye aka wasem no e de ama but mame fasida ene abasobode mu odzin e ma lawyer fo a over 200 lawyers and they are calling omo to the bar nti ene no omo ye bona fide lawyers a betimi di kokoti akonya court bia nse ye di asem e di ama sanse law ni sia no enyemre kra ye twe ahomra na afa ye ba ye mehye asem na say mi wo case na wo case na ye from vim lady efia pokua for questions na bra ye nchim ema for me sama makwa ba bi Adom TV mi okay sana ene wie ye de bro e from me vim lady efia pokua ene makeup glamming myself up wie Friday mi wie cry say we makeup we dey to me 24 town ti ene me ne lawyer be kwa kwa town ati ase say dey tie bia we ma ye je ba no so de ene ayi police band ena eba ye be ko no but until then ye hwemra na ye hu asemwe na onim me kan ba na asem na besi mi chi asemwe kra ya kan anum da duty of care na watwe atwam ma na ye medical negligence se bia wako hospital ana se bia ayaresa bia na wo kwa akope ayarehwe na wo ko ho no makwa akope ayarehwe o enso be hwie no na bia wako akonya ayarehwe wako akonya pura wako akonya manehunu ewom lawyer church mu ma say wo case straight enti se bia wonya hospital ana se bia wo pura ana bia wo koye fibroid ye tinkofo bia mo fra ye obi won makowo ne baba akwa ama ni nyina wo case entina onye se fama nyame na mo obi emebu kwasea enti awie ye mo akwa aba eno ni asema ye ba beka e wa ha medical the numbers na to just ne me mama me kasa no nwa wo na wo case fa bra na ye to yebo enchechemu enche 0302211 701 0302211 ekosi 704 but lawyer upon atnase ache say oni ni nua lawyer aba na ne mbebo ami aye medical negligence lawyer aba nam kwa so aya obedu asesi a lawyer ewe good afternoon so omo ye dey and oni anu over 200 ni akoli omo
ya dey pa mr mama congratulations omo ya dey
that's good
and easy so obekwa be lawyer
at all ade na heading sir ye hia lawyers bebre wo Ghana enso mo ma law ne nyemre se obi abetimi abeye bie na ka lawyers ho ana mo hyeda mo be se obi abe lawyer ni bi ho
so winya case a wo pro bi o wa ben na se oni pakono ansa na obeben na just test no enti pese make sure so mo be lawyer for ni na ben enti na mo na yes as a doctor and yes obi o sorry so a doctor now a lawyer and so me you have to know and be competent and be dedicated.
I see.
And the process now will go through to ensure say what be ampa.
Inti na amabroach so wo nya de mo ye anbi obi betro exam say akoye LLB no cry say obe entrance exams so gimpa say obe entrance exams aye interview asa na LLB no cry afa wo wi a wasan akwa entrance exams asa na wako eno cry last year ote ya say ha class na fa mu feli no wa bin asa de unim obi a we LLB de unim law no da na ye yire obi o se chinchini a bin kosi say
brand ye ko abrochi law school no and sana we call law school abrochi no just say a student just what being pa nze kodu ho no a student no be bre fail and what being
free Ghana kodu
David ye what abrochi na a students were abrochi no yeah call law school no and sana we call law school just say university and you do law school ho na omo ma bin no mutimi nya entry call law school no e bi se ko fail or law school say bia bin sin bi and you know so what's what being just say what test it asa uzo mirikatu me ba udma ko shi obi a be ma mirikatu na de say ko wachi
Usain Bolt no
and you know it's intelligence and competence no as all make sure say e wo ho because obi life e bia na liberty e she lawyer nsa and as a doctor nsa na lawyer ni nim de o ya obo na nipa ko say o free na ya chi na tum obi a say e ma no e den e ya ni akoma ne bi ni si nti system no is there to ensure say amom edin na say wo wia wo be relax no ani age
na wo be relax mo nya na so say lawyer fo nyina hu na mani law no say wo kokota wo read ansa na wakwa na tiade na yebo say agire wa say we yesi chiwampo fa book to afi kotulo we so ade mo kokota say wo hwem ansa
na bio it is to create that capacity competence no ansa na wo be lawyer and so ultimately say nipa bebre person me lawyer and this no system no sieve the wheat from the chaff.
Okay.
And the boama omo serious, omo committed, omo be no. It's me who omo. And when you do that level new year, then we have the confidence. A bit me the case I then. Okay. And the system of saving the competent from the incompetent.
I see. Lawyer, now as a lawyer can law upon. And the lawyers are near calling me to the bank now. Mambom homoding. Mabbing. So last year, because try and I say half of the class of Philly and HSM, mabbing ashe, more competent. Engineer for lawyer, I'm quite at the assembly, so medical negligence. Now what you me twice, yeah, me do say, I go for the case by near the bumper so bonnet of say medical negligence. And no credit more chrome one mabrochino, baby of free buy no. Hey. I hope there are cases near more. Ghana, the former community. Over now, we pray crowd no, the amanya, no, or to one we pray. You come medical negligence, sir. Baby, I know betting me there, because then pan be negligent medically.
Okay, and send medical negligence. Yanka negligence, Ankasa. Negligence in our medical account. Negligence and then say, you're quite a DBB. No one fast acquire no sono. Na ako Francis and Subia ba enye. Any friend negligence no. Into so we are doctor. We are mechanic, we are lawyer, we are policeman. Obia, you have a duty to avoid negligence. Negligence is say, okay, I'm breaking it down. Obia, we are CBA, we are Jumibia, you was standard.
Okay.
So you was standard the car, you was the standard idea mechanic, and I didn't know Diane, and I dear doctor. Into doctor for no, no mensia, and a omedio majuma. Number one, no, competence. In the background, so I Anaa, when Mijumana or knowledge nana. And number two, no, conscience. Say, wabin ena osawo ethics ethics bi wo ho o nipa ho adwen o to no boase no conscience no wo ho and if be coordination say one ne nkrofo no ono doctor no any nurse no any pharmacist no any technologist no we na coordinating the communication wo dem CCC so ho any esa no ma me ensa eno se be na MMM
okay
money medicine management okay so in no almost sika enough so betima hire the right staff betima to the right equipment in Indian and na omutimi to nu papa and nu ahuhia and nu beboa and na management no so no have they put in place operations beboa and say no many na ho dia emadwuma no ko nice na ni na fail dia and do hospital dia no do owo krom so the medical negligence happens when doctor and prescribe and our prescribe yeswa on the corner or say already prescription one reading ye and already near do so pan and one den one money and as or the year the cross church one den one chen ye and a doctor surgery say we send fa no ko yin bonkum and I say omuwie no ade na tools na omde ye and second a safwa ne hwan ni akoshe on the cronium and I say follow up anye ye and I say go do hospital ho no yamobo delays and I say machines na omde test no machines in your papa and already positive instead of saying negative and you na akabomwa and negligence no
and yanko your first case will be the case or the by or hospital not just say on one him say for security purposes your person be hospital need but him say hospital hygiene na or have problems in the kidney in the sabo na ho abasem no call hospital no and a doctor no prescribe a drug man so onkoto pharmacy into yesa and o kofie or started so no madro after 3 days a onum ya no hu say ase ne honam no sheda enye esan kofom na ho keka no esan kofom kra nti omo rush no de no ko another hospital and a doctor ne ka say ne kidneys no no crying no de call hospital ye man no edru no afi de kidneys no ahohono na afi de odwen say na doctor na edika ne bia edru no trauma na okoto ne bia no na ha no ana say de na ama ne kidneys no ahohono because kidney no de call hospital no and ye tredo man na okoto ye nti onti ase nti a oka eche no so obi ka chen say edru no kra no hwe ho no na I expire edru na expire and edru na expire na bia onim de omonye test bia no kra na akoso na ma ne saabo no ahohono no nti ne question obusan say ebia ebetimi de eno no wonsunsanso bi say eka ho na ama ne saabo ne kidney so ahono ana say enye eno ase say no say ono wo gidie kase bi say be say no ka ho na ama ne kidney so ahohono no nti wa na dwen say obesiu hospital no na wesiu pharmacy no ana say pharmacist no da no but say why confused on siu hospital no pharmacy na ho no koto eduro koto mo twa eduro no ma no wanya bi nti okọ pharmacy outside the hospital and as a pharmacist na odi eduro no ema no ono na onsiu no ana why confuse ohun de onye no so ni case odi aba eno na busiafo mamenka obi so guso aya wo hwe Adom TV mi o case na ewo Adom TV so na ye pese ye hwe obi case odi aba we so okọ hospital also ni kidney ono suspect say ni kidney okọ into doctor say ampa na o ma na eduro no wanya bi nti okoto no outside pharmacy shop okoto ya fedi ene ho no ekọ say ekra che say na ho keka no san call form na e rush ne call hospital doctor say ni kidneys no ahun ho nti ohun between the doctor the pharmacy no any pharmacist no prescribe eduro why no nsi no na first of all no o case ana o case
sana obetimi aka say obi o case wo medical malpractice no ohia opinion. Now we
second opinion.
Yes, because when you're lawyer for us, you're lawyer never case a case and now only case doctor never make case a case and now only case. The problem I want to say, and sana we make say obi e bibia o information. I say what move so anya sa de na case nsi. We yes anything to say see and your friend causation.
Okay. And
in here no be difficult to me prove say doctor na information bi. In the first place no. I say you hwehwe mu. Edru na e trauma no the correct edru na. Number 2 Adena ya expire no. Say doctor don't mean to expire medicine ma. One the command expire.
Okay.
But edro so you no direct and I say you want panie. So no direct so a ono so no already and answer one ready. So ho. And edro so no ono correctly say bia you say no na no pa ba ko didi answer no one and answer say nti. Questions bebre wom. Yes say it me answer na it make say oh case and answer only case. But definitely selling expired product criminal negligent and to say no crown pan cause impo the fact say etiamra no e man case wo ho in the court turn say wrong medicine no and expired medicine no on our case eti onipa kro to start with and say na liver there just say okonya doctor no ka say bia wrong medicine and no crown say wrong medicine crown pa you have to link the doctor no any some medicine no any liver bet ma ba say I'm not discouraging him. Me can't what.
And there's no na can't tell.
Bet ma ba say o problem ko be hono dada. E bonya e be ko nanim dada. And now why be man no cost dada. Now where dey fe be coincidence and man here any share. And do the doctor no court and hospital no court. Or my lawyer for me say prove say there's a link between the doctor and here no. Always know whether it's medicine criminal there must be a link between asemna woka no any to na was where then or no it's a link behind me ni ho there any only case
na just wonya yare no kwa
and you know which goes to the issue of what to do obia obeko hospital and now obeko doctor. There are two things that are very, very important that asema woka no I say very, very clear. Me see me
okay, who can't tell doctor no.
That's right. Nurse me see me yem ene yem ya. And I'm iti ene pie me. And I'm in senifa ene enye. No, but you try. Obo amu jro. And I'm try the wrong thing. And so try the wrong thing now. What happens in this doctor no ko mistake her. Omo the record no be defend the doctor no.
Tell buy no
try any. What's you saying na ye uti na ye ya. And asa unsa bonkum tini cha wonan no. What's una bonkum na ye. Anim say wonan nifa na ye den. Ya. And number 2 no. I say we make sure say doctor a draw. You ask the doctor, me pacho we say a drone ye fan the same. But we say drone e den. Na me pacho what are the side effects?
Also obusa no.
I say obusa doctor. Who go doctor how?
Who go school America o. Who go school America na me mama ayare am de na hospital da. Na no wafa anti malaria ewie. Nti edu hospital na me catch abi wa me say, "Oh doc, mama no wafa ma ti o ti am me o." Mimbo, what professional? Madam, are you coming to teach me? Now I say, doc, me mama they didn't walk around so best you. Papa we are calling kwa. I'm kika imagine tell am dey ko e.
Say those can
but you be an was akuku.
Catch you almost over kika imagine. It's the law. You have the right to information. David. Doctor phone it ase. You say what kind of rudely o could now doctor.
Oh say what now te America na kan lawyer. Pacho hanya Canada.
Meba mami ti omo fo.
Hanya Canada.
Mami ti omo fo.
Ombe ya ma.
Meba o de mami ka say. Ma Ghana fo hu say. The doctor has a duty. me repeat doctor no duty say obe explaining that's why explaining na obusa na he has the duty to explain won tiasia he has the duty to inform anya bone doctor me na me konuma duro no mpachedu enum ne sen man ko school me tiasia last time me yare ye the mistrewa me mfa ne sen why would the doctor be angry and onye doctor papa and onye doctor papa so a but modia na tumrika na fi ko report is o be ku
hello bon the chimia de pa am say approach not na Ghana one lawyer is 2,000 patients laban mama mo akwa ba so the only na te Ghana ha do we are very conversant with their system no your system na lawyer ke enye o but omo de edi nka ye but the all can say everyone say nipa no o ma no aduro no na one fa no say they was say ofa no no ayese mo se bibi de contributory first of all mpacho de unu abema kan is in fact o obi aka wo ho
mpacho pepe o yesinya no kan pepe ene momu no nka ye doctor sade say obaka de aduru a wo fei no ho side effect ni because aduru bia
no Ghana ha jama doctor ni eje wotema na me doctor akusika doctor oba na me very few doctors na doctor be odan so ma me fin de ono ba Ghana ha doctor oh show patient be 1,000
me so me ko school abochire sa bebia sa no omo ye
na ha o ba Ghana ha na oni ere banche bo de no
eno so sa o se etum ye sa sina mi sina e ka no na mo na me se enya ye ko hospital ye nim sa nim di nti no ye nkwa ye ntum bisa se adu wo ya me fe no nsunsuanso ne sen so achas bia na wo yare yare bi wo ho na mo madu na wo ba fa no botuma kenyan sa yare no o se doctor no tumi hwem no ka cho so oh sa yare we wo ho ana eni wo ho we say wo bia na woni bi because bi wo na se woni sa yare na ana se wo bia o tumi prescribe another medication a entumi enkenya sa yare no so achas na mo na se bia ye nim ana se doctors no so no bia o mo so mo kan chenye nti ni nim se sa na te
okay nti doctor ye fan say we dia o say okoye ye man eduro no okoto wa outside pharmacy ba ye fan say ya cho say duro no ba ko anopa ba ko anwumre na okonom no ba ko anopa ba ko awia ba ko anwumre a mo sa contributory negligence na mo ka no enka ho
senior yes aka no to be very honest no to prove say yes duro no kwa pe ena ekofa sa hawo na ba wo so no enu na eya na din kakra to atias bia wo fa na pa so mo se kire no wo fa na pepepe anapa ba ko awia ba ko animire ba ko wo yan pepepe na mumu no botum de hawo abrew na me se wo ma fa okon wa so nkomo fa so wo fa no wo ma nkire sa akwa no na mumu no senya wo bo prove se sa duro no pocheka unum yenti ena kofa sa sunsanso ba ya no enu na ye din kakra no na no so na emra kwa mu no sa wo de asam ne ba court a o se wutumi gina enya sa mpempen so no na o ka se doctor no edu de ma me no o se nko kire me se me fa ne sei na mum wa nkire me na mum nam se wa nkire me so nti ena kofa sa sunsanso we ebre
nti eno de be kwatia doctor
eno no be kwatia no na mum se na wo botuma prove no se enam nu ntina sa sunsanso no eba ye enu na ye din wo mu
but we say no kwado omo de ne kwa another hospital nti foforo no omo de ne kwa ye no rush omo no mu say o kidney ahono because e do ne de ma no e expired but say ne dadwe ne say onsu hospital first one no kwa ye no ana pharmacy no okoto ade no wo mo first one ana pharmacist tankasa
baby okoto adu na expire no ye mble mu no emre mu no ahun say ya standard board for no ye omuchi pharmacy shops no na omu yi drugs na expire na efi ho eno no baby a wokoto sa adu no they owe you a duty of care say omu nton adu a expire ma
okay
doctor ni do prescribe ma no anka se koto na expire se me kwa tia se na no oton no so no also to hu say also to me hwe no hu say du no kono na okono ma obi sunsun aso nti also ultimately say do we aspire na inspire Ghana fun bebre no ye to bibia ye nhwe date na wo ho no
na ye nimpo bebre ye nim akenkan
me no se me koto biscuit kakakra na
we learned man
nti isi ano aya adekire nti no ye hu say bia se wa kodro store na se okoto dru a wo de bo modin na hwe anase se wonima kankan mpo a wonka se o mate Adom TV o se ye nima dru a me hwe me ba hwe ma me se date na wo ho no eye pepe pa na bi o ma be ka be se 2 weeks pe na expire se abibi sa no mento ahun ne mum no doctor pharmacist na o ton se do no ma wona expire no so obutuma prove no maka say aha na meto no a o wasem ye o wasem because enya emrakwa mu so oboton adu a expire
okay love
very important if it be self health me ba Ghana no me hu say so pese wonya nkwa o Ghana ese wanka se be ho doctor me nka se ho yare o but ese usua no ma bebre me kwase me ko doctor bi na doctor no tro say omo mama oxygen a certain quantity yemfa so omo mama 20 me di ono mo ka kire me say omo ni 20 no nurse for no omo ni 20 no ndo omo mama 20 no mama time and half omo ni 40 omo double no mama time and half and I say how lawyer a doctor no say 20 also be dom and I me say omo san ko doctor no ho to mo ko doctor no ho no na me ni omo di omo che ko doctor no ho na me say de omo kan ni o no say hey emusu omeku me hey emuso me ma me so omo command na duro bi say duro no ya say mo have a say o man half of omo command full dosage the same old lady
obi abrewa
baby say born the pan on the cocoa no me ko board to so you have na here brochi no mesa so you have to see say o ko doctor one ka say prepared sir medical negligence can you enter adwuma ne say o hospital now the doctor no ko quarter I say I don't file labor. I then a doctor near. So why insist ya one show normal correct wo mu a. Edu time am ko court no. Enye bibia nyina so. Efentia doctor no. Na mum doctor no. Doctor mpacho o se me no paracetamol say. No so much paracetamol. Say o se me nyese. Do me bibia clear. That chi bia court kasefa report no na file no ba. O me commit me gyina so e da ya say you know so what I say. Ndi me nko doctor ho nko tena ho say we doctor o enye nyame o enipa e na juma ne say obeboa wo na obetiase. It's not just about patient care o mo kan ho asem enye medicine na no enso nipa be kasa na o tufo na wa show nkran so ho enti ask the question respectfully. Doctor anytime once you baby say
doctor my mama home so na ask the question respectfully for boni ni die ya ba beto associate am pacho bo sia ya na ne ya homa ya ba ne ya ba behwe sister ba ko 2 case ono so fibroid or the cause to ya pa na ya say ye so oni bi akatum o case ana ya be ba sisi ya we sam makwa ba bio me wo case ana wa one obi a de edu account no wa ye mistake never can wasem but one major question I hear kono ye musa mebusa na mabo numbers na cha osu wo case last week sister be friend ni aba ye kunu ya o okwa asama do onsan ba bi o nti no so person hu so o case no se nani etwa o no hu se ni nua no ye mia na bo ye ba ya sitim ni nua no awu e be hwe so no so wo case na patch numbers ni 0302211707 ekosi 04 0302211701 ekosi 704 betimi afre na wodo question atu edwa so wa wonim say lawyer aban e wo hanom say ache so ye pani onya adiketo akra lawyer wa ben e wo ayi ba no so bu say ne lawyer say ne ye de ye call you to the bar no bu say law no enyemre na be ye bia so ye learned member of the bar so nana opon lawyer doctor nana opon papa distinguished fellows of Africa ono ana professors ni ade na se a here the lawyer bet na onye ni pato so what do you say the lawyers bet na no me yesan kwate wa so be se when office yan ka betua be $1,000 obi associate dey o Canada san wa ba wa hwa wa so be se uhunu kra na wa chia no good morning kra so free no che o law no na mpe we ya Friday uti ba bi wi sample a I said, wow, here Yesu, here Jesus, papa. Eti, Lord, na me busa question bi aba sister ni case baby ade so yen ba person busa so obi wo herba e bi draw for yen ye no say yen Africa e die e bi draw for bebre wa ha herba practitioner so munya sa asemi aye can apply to omo ana.
Absolutely. Omo obi a we bibia no you are bound by duty of care. Duty of care na just say say ade a e foreseeably wrong no we avoid it. Na number 1 make us na say me program here for herbal no. Obu ha nye omu nyina o asema making me de kan omu a obu ha o se edro wonum a ebesa we yare number 1 evidence ben na ho a e kire se e betima sayare no wo a o say kwaku boaten kwame hehe anecdotes enye no kre and I say there's no evidence so oje ho na no ka keke number 2 no sisan so be na nye obia na no duro bi e boa no obo ha e be boa kwaku e moa ya number 3 dosage no sen
okay
oh
atrema ana sen
that's right ena udidi ansa na wafa ana udidi na ansa wanfa na research ben go into it oh a lot of times you know if it be superstition superstition is ye gidie bi say haba bia ye and so poison we are seeing na nfin hama nya haba bia na eden eye obetima continue bi dia ye say ye duro so na poison so nti so obefa bi duro a make sure say bi duro no a proper one certified tested ya amafo di ho adanse na menu bebre so at once wo pesa wo num duro first time na num kakra bi hwe so be sia ye wo eno ho anya aja onum kakra me kasa ko num o basa obenum dia that's the kakra basa obenum nsa me num nsa and I don't want people to drink basa obenum dia me ko fare kakra bi boom down onum kakra bi nti ebibidro no hwe ni ye se ebibidro pa ye good no very good na de anya ne de very bad nti no media se
my herba phone na come under this
omunyina se o se we doctor o se o say e bi kura from who doctor
neba omu tro omu ye card no ma tro
nti so doctor so nye doctor kura mpa o se o to aduro nye aduro medicine aduro se no fa so ne se wo num na ho ato nti wo no na akoyare a nti na bibia na me kan recording no se wo banum aduro we a make sure say oba na wonu ya se wan want me ntro on say me anum aduro we bottles cause onipa nu wu a wan be dia dance omo mo tiase ne be dia dance so keep records
okay la ma mbusa unsa ofa kumasika na seshini ade ka nkofo gine muto aduro akra hakra se ka odu ani plan e bi so gina eto aduro wo ko to aduro ni bi we said the lawyer ka with the gidie say wo se we tipaye we pompo no tinkalo wo di twi ebeko na wo de ba na asem sia eno ono so oba under side duty of care no
se nya na oka no duty of care ni say obi a eye na sade se nko oye bibi mawo na saade na so oye no o say enu ne profession no onimu yie na mum no se no onimu yie nti wo so de wani to no so se nya other mawo no sa na o say oye one problem me feel say ye was sa herbal drugs ne say eya na be din se na me kan area no be din a obutumi wo ma prove say du we pochika
na ma
ema sa asem we ekusiye na mum ye du bia ye present wonu ba ko pe ne bia wani bia utabo ho na wani fraye eno no omutumi ko no mo ko test hwe bia bi kaye omutumi akọ no mo ko test hwe mo say sa du we ye wonu no no ena ekofa sansunsu we ye e de brawo to anwe ye to adu wo kan mu no baka to say eye we enam say ye nim quantity o say ye nom ana say empendudu a o say ye nom niti no most of the time no ema wontumi hu say eye sa du we pochikanti ena ma sa yare na baye na mum no sa wo pese wo prove say obi aye negligence ade gina so pa ne say ubutuma ka say eya de no ye no pochikan wan ye no yie senia obi a oka say onim sa adwuma no ye no ena no conference ansunsu ne baye
okay yanko ya next case mo we dey also no fibroids and the case nkra dey areho ena omo ko detain no for a week so person omo check no ne ade omo ye na monitor no na afede na ya asese dey ere no na ye too much ena omo ma na duro na omo ye so mbe surgery omo ye surgery no na omo ye na omo adwen se dey painkillers omo dey man still ana say e ma form nti omo ye so ekro no a eye fresh nti ena ma yaw no emma form no to omo say okay ene ombe ma no ona nachi kakra ne ade ono mo ye na no ma ye surgery na wie o omo ye surgery na wie na pain no ekra san koso no mo ye wie na still oba fie no ne ho nto no oni ni kru nya ko hospital ona doctor ne ye scan oye scan na beto just say cotton ene dade bi o magya e wona yase wona after fibroid surgery no na doctors na kasa gya tum say eno na emma na yase no eye na ya ne te so mo ye corrective surgery hospital no so ontua ka no ma ye sa corrective surgery no our case
eno na memot makase our case why no dade no kwache ho ba ne sen ine wo ye sa procedure ni wie ya ade ne ka ho na ye bibi sase doctor ɔkyerɛ sɛ ɔyɛ doctor ɔyɛ obɛgya saa de no hɔ ana ɛno ɛne nsunsuanso no so ɔmo tumi prove sɛ saa ade ne aka ne yɛmi di a na ne bɛbisa sɛ obi ka sɛ ɔyɛ doctor na sɛ ɔyɛ operation a obutumi gya saa de no hɔ na ɛde ɔkwan na bɛfa so a obɛgya saa de no hɔ ɛyɛ normal sɛ saa nsɛm taa sisi a na to ate aseɛ nti ɛno no na yɛbɛtumi approve sɛ ebia how many times na doctors wɔn yɛ a wɔn tumi gya wɔ hɔ to ate aseɛ na sɛ sɛ wɔn prove sɛ wano sɛ meka na adada no sɛ before a wɔbɛtumi ahu sɛ mpako no were breaching saa duty no first na also you establish say you owe you a duty of care until you establish it two no also you say there has been a breach of that duty until you see a breach na ya kan wasem ye breach na ya kan wasem say
yanka te no ko for no mo hu say e bi won asa mo nyu say lawyer we TV so a no mo be chia age fans
breach no na wasem ya kan say adenti na wo ye operation ni wiye no hu na wan yi saa kɔtɔn na amfimu na mmom enu na wan yi amfimu no nti na akɔfa saa nsunsuanso no aba
ɛde aba la fani ba no to saa na m say fans for no dɔso lo for ma memra wona mu say we say our case almost on no ntua sika no for corrective surgery no
okay the dika no a lawyer for no yenye doctor for
okay
nti ansana because obi o case no ɛsɛ yɛ ka sɛ onko siki medical reports and our opinion the decan very very important into the na lawyer bank any na no say doctor no establish here that's the first the tosumi no the fact is say no ho akire no omo gya ade no ene nkire say doctor no e causing the problems no because so makoye surgery and or fibroid na bia if it be coincidence
okay
when no assembly den abeshia ebetima abase me pese me play the devil's advocate oko doctor oko court enye easy za so oko tena a okan say the normal to me afa ono so be fa doctor lawyer ebetima abase yeah we just spoon ana normal no woni yam ene sa court na oka no but bia eno anko se bibia yeyi eno eden ehun sisa so bia ni ho na emom sa fibroid surgery na omo ye no enu mom and you know you have to establish all of this stuff
but say ba say ampa say spoon ni metal ni asawa no cotton anya na hwe ya the fact oja wo ho no enu so enye bi
oko court am nkyeremu ye frɛ bibi causation and I know can say we ni na ma we buy ye frɛ no causation but causation no nye enough for ye say ye frɛ bibi say damage
okay
say ade no causation no buy no e disinsan so say na ye den e buy and as I saw no, my lose way, my cost way, mitimi nidi, miya, menu madro, any san no mano. And no, I saw prove. What we go to the say, it just spoon wo yam, and no mamisika. Because a spoon no, a jar wo yam no, and so beneding, and they buy. See, and to me, and prove na because doctor anya dear, and 100 cedis, nominal damages, 1,000 cedis.
Then could do baby.
But so to me, trust it, and nam says spoon call yam no. And as I say when you also me the can same keke
okay
and we yam ya it na want to mean na it na also die bonne ena then you have a case into the first place you know sure me your case be o Canada sir oba no na o person o slim down and o kono maduro a young lady and 5 floors o gina balcony ho no and o be hwe fam boom
hey
and na nan nyina bubu ye hey and a doctor ne call surgery and o ja sa mfidie ni bi na de ne bi won yam yes you doctor no
how Canada
but the point is say the fact is say doctor naja wo mu no doesn't mean say enu mo mu na causing the problem no
e beti ba say so operation o koye
there we go and e beti ba say normally no met me share so you have to show causation and you have to be sure say sa de na and na man the problems I meant no problem the problem want to say how do you differentiate between consequences of fibroid surgery from pain caused probably yes cause and yes probability no it's all problem but law no and just certainty a probability and so onya good medical advisors etanachi no nya good lawyers no court now no mobo no kana semi ya the fact say obi etimi excuse me ejimi eja sa no manu wo mu no e be call in her favor And she has nothing to lose. They say, oh, down. The only way is up. You see, also, only very good lawyers, very good, very important. Medical malpractice, agent, and no me peso. So, no me answer. Wo, say the obesity structure was story, no. Say the obesity can was seminal. 2, medical doctor, expert evidence. Or the man, better our cheek, and pa, doctor, then, the toss me answer. Lawyer, what being, ya or tower cheek.
Then your lawyer be any betting me win new case.
Oh, they be saying it's a comfort, and a face over.
Hello, one being pa, which your terms. Into a one more, honestly, a learned lawyer, sir, but on being, sir.
See, Obi can say, oh, was it in every class, 50% graduate at the bottom. So what does it? You graduate you, but 50% graduate at the bottom. Lawyer be or very good at human rights, family law. Will be very good with criminal law. Will be very good with business law. Will be very good at medical malpractice. So, Obo a very good nina. And there's also bossy. And if it's only sikano sono, difficult because medical report now okojino. Doctor not in the book be see etian young doctor into a someone's car. Number 2, lawyer wa being or charge you more. So, and this go first sikano hen. And this is yanko pon bompire no kusha lawyer be away wa being no nyamisru. That's a common neno. No, I say, oh, Minuaba, Mebwa, Yanko.
Anaa be ye na che lawyer. The okay so the burden when you be no anya. Free. Anya easy say ya dey be am lawyers cases. Anya easy say o. Ba ko no buy house lawyers will budget me 1,000. The only person no hwe na nim na chira 500 kra o nya bi. Obu oba akra me kra na mema ne case ka na odi afroka akọ. Obu oba o se me need e medi. Obehu na ne magu na chi bi a be ma bi one na wo onhwe nkola no ne ade.
Into one platform here, would a very good. Why don't you appeal to lawyers? A lawyer for be brewa, nim say, nipa be brewa, here moasa. Meba. Don't assume that. May catch us. There are lawyers for be what say to the lawyers of Ghana, mean you are not enough for. Say, you have a program where Uncle be brewa, more good cases. Lawyer for no, moi, volunteer. So now, it be no one kasa. In the case, no, we should say good. What's wrong, pro bono? You will get some of it.
Lawyer, oh, me see, you're starting my case and 2 years in you. Me fresh pro bono. Legal aid for computers community. Lawyers, they want to do pro bono cases, but okwa no apem. Lawyer no so wire woman. Now why when I call you on Kobuso almost I no must spend it on legal education in Ghana. Before I be call you, no obi si dan 3-bedroom we see a job.
That is so.
It's busa. So the oko Canada nti bia wono munya education fund ne ade diga ADM mo de ma Ghana lawyer photocopy obeye into any band there's no way obewie no be any free
the bio make set free near every day o ba che say
obe ba ko o ebi mu ye bi lawyer kobi o ye bi mame bi mu ye boya no apem filing kra na wo so wono nipa no at least client na wo so otua filing no so na CJ ba ko George na wood to mu. That's all the was you two filing fees no. To no so to me fa ni sika nko ye filing no so problem.
Ne momu no ne atene say bi wo ho a ahun. Na say case no wo hwe wo ye lawyer na wo fi sempa ko no na sam be de. Ne momu no enam say na sam e de no ni scanning no. Unum tumi ko nhyehyeye. Okay. Na wo ka che ne say wa sam na mafa. Ne momu no say me fa wie ne say ye di nkunim a scanner beba no. Metemedie.
La emra na yembefa course na chemu eche ye twenwa basia me okesa na ni ye beba sesia. Ebu siambo ya sama makwa babio me okesa na ewo Adom TV so. Ena ya kan medical negligence asem na ye pese etie wo ankasa wo tie no. Wo hwe ye wo TV no so no. Wo ankasa wo questions. But of all the brave, Uba, no abo asem no tougher. Because later on, you bet me am lawyers. No what to watch church was said the last week, sister be fair, ya. Ni ba we ya, you see your man kwa kusie no come say, ah, where them we are come body need another autopsy. Near verify the cause of death. And yes, sir, will be accommodation and who free Eddie. Numbers in 0302211-701 and 704 0302211-701 and 704. Laban, now we can seminar. Mama fa Nana. Nana, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Nana, but ye nti wa sem no ya no abon tofa.
Me ba to you. Me pa cho. That year 3 years in. Because ye surgery hospital di me person na na fibroid. ɛna ɔka kyerɛ me sɛ obie me yam na ɔhwɛ placenta na nyɛ hwee di a biribi aka na obeyi na sɛ nyɛ hwee di a onni nti ɔne me ɛka ne saa na me se daabi na ɔne me ka saa because me ngo da nti na me peba nti afei ɔyɛ surgery ni wie ya me baayɛ no ka kyerɛ me sɛ obie so no ma wo de biribi aka yɛ da mu fine na mo me tubes no mmienu nyinaa watwitwa nti bi sase mo case ana
o tubes mmienu na watwitwa say tubes na before mo kwa surgery no ma diagnose tubes ni infected ana problem o tube no one ana say
one sign tell me did your plan ya ni sa wo de no de wo hwe na fibroid na say no de a obeyi a wo de ni nyinaa
ana mbacho ade bi a friend consent form no sign
me pa chan ene do ne me kan na tubes no ho asam de wan kan kire me nti e wo wie na ka chem say fibroid awo mo fe se bibia kan na tubes no de watwitwa ne mienu nyinaa
lo pon we o case
who he has to watch the tube and he had a consent and son was the tube and you know from what he's told me clearly without consent that's what I say and we are separate
from
action
consent to surgery
negligence and a consent so there's no consent here so one kate so no man one can't share no one man to me and you're right so obetche side no one fan court
Nana mpacho fa court wo case papa ntana mo bi entwu eni Ibrahima good afternoon awie
Hello
Ibrahima no good afternoon
mpacho media ni de enye doctor case me company bi and me no omko agreement say omuto
okay Ibrahima oni odi anu nya company dia ye wi anu afre me na ye fa odi as a special case why na just odi be labor case why na ye hwe ene omo hospital dia no lo aba na ma media ya onu so hu say o case ye twa ne tubes no
hu say dia ade pochikan na okwa yes operation no
say fibroid
nti no say otwetwe ne tubes na what was the reason to actually say
o say o ka chere ne say obi so no ne tubes no onu kwa wanka o say o buy no otwetwa tubes no o ka say o ayi bia
nti no when man no ho kwan say on twetwa sa no ma no
lo ampacho ho me so ma me Mr. Adom ampacho good afternoon awie
good afternoon ma
Yakopon adaro ma ampacho ka say free here
pastor free
dunkwa okay opani enti wo de no
de me pese me chen say discussion ni e fan emum o nse wo be call doctor no ho no a be prescribe aduro ni dia ma no a prescribe ma wo wi a no o se fa ko pharmacy e do dia ko pharmacy ho no ye na mo busa say say doctor na wo busa na say side effect be ene wo do ta dia no nya ada to dia akoma pharmacy no e do be den wo wi a wa sa dia ko doctor no ho na wa sa busa na say side effect
na be dia na lawyer can say brea doctor no o trauma o tra prescription na wo so busa no doctor eduro be nie eduro we eden side effect ni saying into do pharmacy one na de obeka che na doctor de ni hia no akọ busa nchiremu so what you say
this time no say bi o kra mpa wonya kawie na kra no amo fa de no wonya kawie ne kra ne se ko pharmacy ho obekọ no bibia o computer so edi na eduro ne kra o kra ma no kra no wo asay no nim adukro no kra o kra de ama wo edi wontumi mi sa ntan ho asem yese wa ko pharmacy ho edi pharmacist na ese ubisa na se wi adwo obeta ko doctor na okra na obesa ko on kiu e ho no kra wontumi nya krampo nsa nko edi na no so be ndey
but you musa
very simple time na doctor actually draw ma so who wo computer no so krampo a o tro draw na ama enti obeka cho se me tro draw ma ko pharmacy on dan sana obesore fi doctor ho no sa fere ni hu ni suro no ese ye fi emu sa there be o very very important or life very important enti men ko fere nko suro se doctor be pa cho we say draw be na wo de ma me draw ye nom ne sen hu su sa so ne sen because me person ba ko nom wrong draw na ma nom ni ya na say din su sa so be ma me doctor pa cheche mu obeti ase
na o kan say me musa no nicely
and obi aso bisa be normal but doctor fund o mu ni mo but na me say o ye busy ninti no but o ye busy a sisi ye you na say wan ka ho asema
wan ka so ti wan ye yi bone
right enti no bisa doctor o ye nipa so What's the name? What's the yare? What's the more draw? What a draw? What's a dosage? What consequences? So, and son of wako. And another thing, because Caribbean say, some people Pedro Biato. A topaebi, na me yemi. Almost say, I'm confirmed drone, my almost say a drone, any. I was yeah, draw with a doctor. See me, man. Almost say I had this, that draw in your dimmer. Hey, and I'm saying, question, my answer drone, review of where. Come to ye, make sure, say. A drone at the mountain, correct, and I'll cause on my catcher say, a draw the boarding. And to wait, the almost a tunnel, every crap and then you do papa. Name imagine Husika, and I said, no more tone, no much at that time out. It didn't make self health. But homogeneous one, Casawa Noma, beside doctor questions, nurse questions, pharmacist questions. Yeah, that's a lab and final comment.
I'm facing no canoe, no crying. You say, be away, Lintino, or call ya more Duana or Kofa. We name a duono since so. So I said, Ubisa, doctor, so, oh, a duo coffee. Dear, and since I see been a mania, one cabane. Be who are crowded, do no foul by that. Who name, oh, fire no go from, no could trash it. To what I said, and this Ubisa no, now catch or church you say, oh, do we, man drive, woman, oh, baby, man, cock, Nadia. A be home, your feet. What I say, also, take your mom catch us over the way, also off fun and a joke, because one more bad. And also, you say the Adom your feet. And you know, embrace and soon quite say what day and brassy. No baby says, doctor, do we out of me. Menuma, James and son never by me so. And as a man be a man on me pay a journey way, a be up egg. Oh, my God, I won't say, do we are, mend the egg. I do we, Menuma. Mutumjo jani bia na obisa sa no mana enye bone wo si wo
yo la mama Musa mini say CJC touting is the general legal council but eye we en church na ye kire said e tie bia ye wi ankofo tetem na wo na wo he office wo he
mpocho me office no e wo Madina
he
Akosombo Junction na me chade so Wisconsin, most of the
Wisconsin, meaning so okay. Into betimi aba ho aba hwe. Betimi do number to enye say touting.
No problem.
So we enya wona woka.
There be that.
Into me do number ne be ma lo pon, but we betimi a share baby a chambers no.
Me ne age one me junior.
Oh say o munya mo chambers. Lawyers the seniority here on pa.
Oh.
Me do court, when something court. We do court na senior baba na something I talk. Oh say senior saba. Seniors aba.
Yes, but let me say
the 30 seconds.
Yes, very, very important. Say, for the nation itself, apart from the fact say can individual itself, they say making sure say hospital piano, doctors for no money necessary, and if you need correct medicine here, and the doctor for some more conscience, and then making sure the management is here in place. Oh, yeah, more now hospital no should not become a deaf place but a living place.
I was having Adom say me okay, sir.